Contact tracing. I'm sure you've heard the term. If you haven't, it's a way to track the spread of the coronavirus. In Columbiana County, their contact tracers focus on direct contact.
So that means a person has been face to face within 6 feet, I think, of another person for 15 minutes, mask or unmasked.
So why is it so important that officials do contact tracing? Trumbull County Health Commissioner Frank Migliozzi has the answer.
I think it's very important for everyone to understand that this is not something meant to be punitive. We're not trying to punish anyone here. It is very important, though, that we do reach out and speak to you and get honest and truthful information so that we can limit those that have been exposed or that are infected from circulating out in the public and causing more widespread transmission of COVID. So that's the importance of this, and the faster that we are able to do that and the more accurate information, the faster we'll be able to contain the spread in our community.
So what do you do if you've been contacted by a contact tracer because you've been exposed to the coronavirus?
The idea is for those individuals who are potentially exposed, is to self-quarantine for 14 days, because we know that that's the incubation period of this virus. And the idea is to ensure that they don't expose anybody else in the event if they become positive.
TCAC also put the virus in the perspective of layers. The more layers you have, the less risk of spreading it.
When we talk about those layers, those barriers, the 6-foot distance is a layer. Me having a mask on is a layer. You having a mask on is a layer. As soon as I take that off, like I said, that risk starts to be enhanced.
Laura works with an epidemiologist who summed it up pretty well.
It's like we've been in school this whole time and we did all the hard work. We did the midterm, we stayed home, we self-isolated, we bought toilet paper, and now we're at the final exam and we could fail and all that hard work was for nothing, or we could really push and do a really good job.
For WKBN 27 First News, I'm Brandon Jaycees.